Dear friends, it would be an honor to share with you the story of my life. I was born on February 12, 1809, in a small log cabin in Hardin County, Kentucky. My parents, Thomas and Nancy Lincoln, were simple farmers who instilled in me the values of hard work and honesty from a young age. Despite these hardships, I continued to pursue my education and eventually became a lawyer. In 1834, I was elected to the Illinois State Legislature, where I quickly gained a reputation for my eloquent speeches and impassioned defense of individual rights.